Here we come to the elevator at 5800 Ranchester in Houston, Texas. We got EPCO Halo line. I wonder what kind of elevator this is. Oh, it's a Houston elevator. Nice. Oh, I found something vintage today. There was a guy talking. It has nothing to do with me. Oh, I gotta hear this motor. Oh, this is so worth checking out. Check this out. It's got the bumper. EPCO Halo line fixtures. This is so worth checking out. I can't believe I found something vintage. All right, here we are at one. That was a find. We're gonna watch it close. There it goes. And that's it.